In this video, we will explain how to fill out our online design request form. To request engineering services for a new project, click Request New Design. Then, enter the project details such as your name, the name of the project, and choose to request either a full design package or a cover layout page only from the drop-down menu. You will need to create a preliminary panel layout design for your project using our Design DIY tool. If you're a first-time user, take a minute to get familiar with the Design DIY tool before your first project design request. After you have completed the preliminary panel layout, you can proceed to input the system information that is necessary for our engineering team to know about your project. Keep in mind that everything with an asterisk next to it is required in order for your request to be submitted. Under System Information, input the panel brand, model number, and output in watts. Based on the information you provide, you will see the number of panels in your proposed layout and the system size displayed below. Then, input the inverter brand, model number, and number of inverters you will use for your project. We also recommend that you upload the panel and inverter spec sheets onto our portal for reference. Lastly, let us know whether or not an electrical or structural stamp is required for your project in the drop-down menu. If your project is a roof mount system, you can move on to roof and structural information. If it is a ground mount system, proceed with racking site information. For our example, we are using a roof mount project. Here, some details will already be filled out based on your preliminary design. To change details like the installation type or roof type, scroll up to the Design DIY tool and click Edit. Let us know if a tilt-up design is required in the drop-down menu, then input the roof pitch, the number of roof layers, roof structural information, and section details accordingly. Choose the size and spacing for the roof rafters or trusses, and input all other appropriate dimension using the section details image for reference. For racking details, input the name of the racking manufacturer you will be using for your project, as well as any additional notes you may have regarding racking equipment. Under electrical information, input the name of the utility company, grid voltage, location of existing main service panel feed, bus bar rating, and main breaker size and location, and let us know whether or not an AC disconnect or production meter needs to be added. Finally, choose where the conduit will be run, above the roof or through the attic space. The remaining electrical information only needs to be filled out if you are backfeeding through an existing subpanel. In the final section, titled Additional Requirements, you will need to upload any relevant project photos such as photos of the meter, main service panel breaker and nameplate, and structural details. Input any additional requests you may have for the engineering team and click Submit to confirm your design request and proceed to the next step. Remember, your design request is not complete without a payment, so please make sure to input the payment method of your choice and click Confirm and Pay to finalize your project design request. Our team of engineers will review all the project details you submitted to ensure accuracy and then begin the design of your project. You can track the status of your project as well as download any relevant attachments directly on our portal. Once the design has been completed, you will receive a notification and an invoice on your account. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. Click on the Project Design tab to begin a design request.